It's like, oh, we're going to South Padre Island. Oh, I can't wait. We're going to go to Gabriella's again. And that's the beauty of it, is to know that part of their vacation has our name on it.
We are so excited to be out here in South Padre Island. Give us a little background history about Gabriella's and how it came to South Padre Island.
Well, Gabriella's has been around for 17 years. It started the first 2 years in Port Isabel by a lady named Miss Vicky. We know her as Miss Vicky.
Miss Vicky.
Her daughter was Gabriella, so that's why they named the restaurant Gabriella's.
Okay.
So we've been with the same recipes for about 17 years now.
When you come to the island, you're not really thinking Italian food, right?
Right.
So what do you think makes this restaurant so unique?
The food is great. I mean, it's all homemade from scratch every day. The ladies are in the back rolling the raviolis and making the meatballs with their hands.
If you order a chicken Alfredo, they're gonna make the Alfredo sauce right there and then. They'll cook it, they'll saute it, they put it, do the chicken in there and they cook the noodles. Every dish is made to order.
Well, hello.
My name's Fabian. I'm taking care of you guys.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
So what do you recommend that I order?
Well, one of the best dishes that we have is called pasta al tono.
Uh-huh.
And I think she would really love that dish.
Okay.
Let's do a chicken fettuccine for Dave.
Oh, that's my favorite, he knows.
And I'll do a Roma pasta.
All right. We got some extra dishes as well. We're going to add to the table.
Okay,
Well.
sure.
Oh, you're rolling out the red carpet for us. Oh my God.
5-layer lasagna here.
Holy smokes. What a spread.
Y'all enjoy.
Thank you so much. So I'm not gonna lie, guys. Coming to a pizzeria, I thought we were gonna have pizza today.
Yeah.
One of the other things that we offer is a great variety. We're not just pastas and pizzas. We have seafood, we have steaks, we have a great variety.
When you walk through those doors, your eyes go straight
Straight
to that
oven. Yeah.
We don't just make pizza in it. We roast our peppers and we make a lot of the ingredients that go into the sauces, and it blows your mind.
This lasagna is blowing my mind.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a 5-layer lasagna.
Is there a secret to it?
Everything made once a day, every day.
I think you could really taste it in the food. Obviously, it really is made fresh to order, and you could just taste how original it is.
Because you can't come to a pizzeria without having a pizza, right?
Ah, yes!
Yes, we do.
Love it. Thank you so much, the pizza. Dun, da, da, da.
Banana cream cheesecake,
All right,
key lime pie,
I gotta try that.
flourless chocolate torte.
Well, this is awesome. I'm so glad that we came here. You guys are
coming.
the real deal. So, cheers to that.
Cheers to that.
Thanks for coming in.
Thank you.